Okay, how to multiply two-digit numbers that have the same first digit and the second digits of the two numbers add up to 10. This is Megan with the fourth L. This video series is to help those of us who love speed math to train our brains. If you've already done speed math video number 1, you'll see that the trick in that video is an offspring of the trick in this one. Both processes only have 2 steps, and for both of them the first step is exactly the same. So first I'll show you the trick, and then following that will be short practice rounds so you can play around with it. But before we start, let's be clear about which equations this works for. You're multiplying two-digit numbers, both have the same first digit, and the second digits of the two numbers add up to 10. So if we look at 37 times 33, we can see both two-digit numbers start with a 3, and their second numbers, the 7 and the 3, add up to 10. Or if we have 84 times 86, they both start with an 8, and the 4 and the 6 add up to a 10. But if you have an equation like 42 times 45, you can't use this trick, because while they both start with 4, 2 plus 5 does not equal 10. Okay, now let's get to the trick. There are 2 steps, and each step gives us one part of the answer. Step 1. Multiply the first digit of the two-digit number by the number that is one higher. This gives you the first part of the answer. Step 2. Multiply the second digits together. This gives you the second part of the answer. So, for example, if we have 37 times 33, step 1, multiply the first digit of the two-digit number by the number that is one higher. So the first number is a 3, and we multiply the 3 by the number that is one higher, which would be a 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So that's going to be the first part of our answer. Now we go to step 2. Multiply the second digits together. So we have a 7 and a 3, and when we multiply them together we get 21. So there's the second part of our answer. So put it all together and the answer is 1,221. So 37 times 33 equals 1,221. Okay, let's do another one. 84 times 86. So first we multiply the first digit by the number one higher, so 8 times 9, which is 72, the first part of the answer. Then step 2, multiply the second digits together. So we have 4 times 6, which equals 24. And there's the second part of your answer, which means that 84 times 86 equals 7,224. Okay, now you do one. How about 62 times 68? Go ahead and do step 1. Did you get 42? And now step 2. And hopefully you arrived at 4,216 for your answer. Now, I need to show you one more thing. When the two-digit numbers end in 1 and 9, there's a small tweak in step 2 that you must make in order for it to work. Let's take 51 times 59. So the first step is the same. Multiply 5 times 6 and you get 30. But for the second step, when we multiply 1 by 9 and get 9, you need to place a 0 before it as a placeholder. So we place a 0, 9 after the 30 and we get the answer 3009. And just so you know, this will only happen when the numbers you are multiplying end in a 1 and a 9. Okay, now you do one. How about 79 times 71? So do the first step and you get 56, and the second step and the answer is 5,609. Okay, let's start with a warm-up round so you can get used to doing this trick. Ready? And go. 39 times 31. 1209. 78 times 72. 5616. 44 times 46. 2024. 17 times 13. 221. 63 times 67. 4221. 22 times 28. 616. 91 times 99. 9009. 33 times 37. 1221. 51 times 59. 3009. 86 times 84. 7224. And now for the speed rounds. Each round will be faster than the one before. Are you ready? Get set and go. 73 times 77. 5621. 36 times 34. 1224. 48 times 42. 2016. 81 times 89. 7209. 67 times 63. 4221. 28 times 22. 616. 94 times 96. 9024. 11 times 19. 209. 52 times 58. 3016. 79 times 71. 5609. And now, round 2. 26 times 24, 624. 59 times 51, 3009. 93 times 97, 9021. 32 times 38, 1216. 43 times 47, 2021. 99 times 91, 9009. 14 times 16, 224. 68 times 62, 4216. 87 times 83, 7221. 74 times 76, 5624. And finally, round 3, the fastest round for this video. 77 times 73, 5621. 42 times 48, 2016. 84 times 86, 7224. 31 times 39, 1209. 18 times 12, 216. 56 times 54, 3024. 37 times 33, 1221. 69 times 61, 4209. 23 times 27, 621. 92 times 98, 9016. So, how was that? To keep practicing and increasing your speed, I've created 2 follow-up videos, number 2A and number 2B in the Speed Math series. And as you may know, the times speed up not only within each video, but per video. So in number 2A, the times are faster than in number 2, and in number 2B, the times are faster than in number 2A. To excel at any skill, whether it's playing the tuba, kicking a soccer ball, or doing difficult math problems in your mind, it takes practice. If you want to keep practicing this trick, join me in number 2A. The link is in the description and should be on the screen right now.